Hello, this is Chris Joseph, Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Tuesday, December 19th, 2023, and behind me, newly arrived, is our all-new 2024 Flagstaff Classic 826 KBS travel trailer. We're gonna show around the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. Flagstaff line is here. We are so excited to have them on board with us. Look at that awesome front fiberglass cap, automotive style windshield there, two 30-pound LP tanks, power tongue jack, and has a spot for two batteries there. Here at Bullion RV, we include one brand new Deep Cycle 27 series interstate battery. We fill the propane. We bring this in the shop and give you a complete orientation on this coach. That is all included. We have no hidden fees. We are not corporate. We are family owned for 70 years coming up next year. Not too many businesses can say that. But here it is, all aluminum framed, laminated fiberglass exterior, frameless windows, nice high ceilings that you're going to see when we get inside. Got the nice fold up steps with a fold up entry handle as well. We'll go this way first. What's awesome about this coach, about 7,800 pounds dry, so a newer half ton can certainly pull this with a weight distribution hitch. And this is so great on a trailer, guys. Auto leveling, hit that button, walk away, it'll do it itself. Can't beat that. Got some docking lights here in the front. Don't forget about that rock guard for those dirt roads. And the Flagstaff will have the nice slide out awnings over both slide outs. Little cubby hole here. Here's your outside grill for that outside hookup center on the other side. You can see the nice aluminum studs right there. Give you a bag for your 50 amp cord. They give you a pigtail to go down to 30 amp. With some campgrounds obviously do not have 50 amp service. Another cubby hole here. What's neat about this, look how high that is. My gosh, you can almost put a small child in there if you want to. You got the magnets that hold up the doors, and those just slam shut. This here. This one hasn't gotten a bath yet, so we're gonna get a bath, of course, but there's where you dump your tanks, green and black right there. This prep for a Furon backup camera, full walk-on roof. There's your roof ladder right there. Here's a cabled satellite hookup, black tank, flush city water connection, little outside shower port right there. A little receiver hitch for a bike rack if you like. Nice big LED lit power awning. So there you've got your 110 fridge, little range top right there. And over here is where you can hook up that outside grill if you want. LP hookup is right there, tied right to those propane tanks that we fill for you. Obviously aluminum rims, not steel. Let's go take a walk inside, see what you guys think. What's nice too is this nice big entry door. So if you want a couples coach to get out of the great white north, actually we don't have any snow yet, but cold, and go south, this is it. You've got your theater seating right across from the TV. Look at this awesome little sitting area right here. We'll undo this if we can. Yeah, sit here at the nice solid surface counter. Nice big place to eat, work on your laptop. There's the roll-up sink cover, your nice big sink sprayer here to keep people online if they're getting in your way. Nice view outside if you want. You can open up those shades. Got your microwave, your oven, your range with your stove top there, which acts as a backsplash. You can fold this over just like that. Take care of all your messes right there. 3-burner range top. Nice counter space, of course. Place for silverware. You can hide all your scrubbies right there. Look at that wastebasket already there for you. Nice deep pantry. Look at that. Just tons of storage, guys, which you'll never ever complain about too much storage. Nice pocket door there for the bathroom, so it's not swinging out here, getting in the way. Porcelain toilet, more durable, easier to clean. Medicine cabinet, fantastic fan there to take the air out and return air for you. an actual counter space. Look at this. Place to put your toothbrush, your hairbrush, your dryer, whatever you want. They actually give you a stainless steel sink there as well. Don't forget more hanging storage there. And this huge storage area here. Got your manuals right there. There you've got your blue coil hose for your outside shower. Going back this way, actual full-size shower. As my sales manager Andy Johnson would say, you got a seat there for shaving your legs, ladies, and actual glass doors. And with that skylight right there, let me just show you this. So I'm just over 6'2". I'm not coming with, but as you can see, you got plenty of room to get clean in here. Nice and open. On this coach, we option out with a second AC there in the bedroom with the heat pump, which is nice. Got the nice pocket door that closes off the master bedroom. Forget to show you this when you walk in the door. Actual adjustable shelves that you can take out. They're removable, so you can use this for hanging coats if you want. So many people want a place to put their coats. Put them right there. A little storage there for, gosh, your keys. You can throw your cell phone in there. Purse, all that fun stuff. There's your monitor panel, tells you levels of your tanks. Looks like they're all empty. That's a good thing. Ceiling lights, water heater, which is gas and electric. Awning switch and your slide switches. Look at this master bedroom. Tell you what, for a trailer this size and this weight, this is an amazing bedroom. So much room. Look at all these drawers. Look at this area to sit and get ready if you want. Bedroom TV option out with a smart TV option there. Look at that huge closet. More storage here. Guys, I tell you what, never complain about that. Got the shade to close this off for more privacy. Even we'll look here to hide stuff if you want. Going back to the bed here area here. I'll lift this up to show you. Access to that outside storage there. Look at these two huge drawers. I mean, huge. I'll tell you, on all this storage right here, I think my wife would probably give me that area right there. But that's okay. Windows on both sides of the bed. Open that up, get cross ventilation if you'd like. Storage above, his and her reading lights. Just an amazing, amazing master bedroom for this size of a trailer. And once again, with that arch ceiling, it's so open in here. It feels like a little apartment. Back towards the back again. I'll even take a seat here real quick. So, even sitting in the left seat of this theater, seeing nice view of the TV up there. Just a great, great layout, half-ton towable from Forest River Flagstaff. Once again, this is Chris Yost here at Brilliant RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior, or about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. This unit's here. It's available. Brand new 2024 model. We take trades. We'll do whatever we can do to earn your business. I've been here over 23 years. Once again, family owned, no BS, no games. If you're interested, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-393-1472. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. So anytime we post something new, you'll be notified about it right away. Stay safe, stay positive, Merry Christmas, and happy camping.